Hello, myself Sunil R. Here basically we are discussing about the most dangerous topic, and now basically we are discussing about this school, basically. Harvard Business School. Basically, where is that basically? Harvard Business School, basically. That is in Boston, basically, USA, basically. Dean is Dean is Shrikant Dattar. See basically now the connections here basically how the things are connected basically because this is connecting to 200 story basically, and almost people basically say that basically whenever the land is basically going to separate na, that time people basically comes to Asia land basically. See basically
Srikant Datar. Shrikant Datar.
Shrikant Datar.
Shrikant Datar.
Shrikant Datar.
Shrikant Datar.
So he is the dean basically, right, of the Harvard University basically. 1908 basically. He has taken the education like this basically, right? So this is the number one, yes, not college basically. It's number one basically the software company which is basically in India. Because you are in India, so you are not getting job. That means these groups are connected. Then another person told that yeah, no, yeah, basically I don't know anybody. Basically where basically I studied basically I studied in Vidyagunj. I don't know anybody in the TCS basically. If I would be knowing basically anybody in TCS, then basically I would be in this company basically. Then he told that yes, yeah, basically you would be in this company basically. You would be in this company basically. Then see basically the connection basically. How basically everything was planned basically. Just see. This school, this group, this group, this group, this group, this group. On last day everything is going to calculate, that's why. This group, and history never dies. That is the rule basically of the universe. This group, this group, this group, that is the royal family group. This group, German group, this group, this group, this group. This group basically are sweet group basically. Sweet group means everything basically they do peacefully basically. I had taken one example of that person basically who actually was creating problem to the one of the software company, and he basically was killed basically in Dubai basically. But few people says that this group basically might not have done this. Their security group basically might have done this basically because these groups have some certain level of security also basically. Security groups are also basically connected. Security groups are also basically connected. So it might possible because here basically almost all peoples basically stay who actually died. And in this basically those people basically only stay basically who actually died. Who died basically. So one of the person told that basically that this chain basically, that is this chain basically, is connected. Then he told that yes, basically everything is connected basically. The 900 crore people population, set of words basically combination are connected, are directly basically connected, are directly connected. Are directly basically connected. Just see basically. Just see the chain basically. You just see the chain basically. See basically the chain basically. See the chain. See the chain. See the chain. See the chain. You see the chain basically. So like this basically the entire earth planet basically groups are connected. Then one of the person told that basically the group basically for example in corona basically around more than 50 crore people who died basically, they basically 100% basically might have got the another birth, few group basically. Then he told that yes basically they might have 100% got the birth basically. Few basically people dies basically. Dice means basically one of the person told that basically that do you know basically the cement, everything basically which is created, that basically do you know how basically they are getting created? That basically there basically what basically are used. Then he told that what they are using here basically. They are using the people's powder basically. Where after die basically the body becomes in powder. That is basically the asthi basically. What is the asthi basically in English basically, that I will let you know basically. Asthi is there na basically, yes. Bone basically is called basically. But it's bone basically word is not bone areas. That is somebody, it's, this is not the perfect word basically, just asthi basically bones. They are telling that it's a bones basically. But bones is not a word, perfect word basically. So then also basically we will say that basically it's a asthi basically. So cement basically are created from the asthi basically of the human body. Then he told that okay basically, so that means you want to say the people basically who dies after that basically. So whatever basically it's circulating to your environment basically in this city basically, one city, then he told that yes, that basically buildings are created from the asthi and plus the chemical industry. Then he told that yes basically you are correct, you are correct, you are 100% correct. So this bodies are, each and every bodies basically are used in the asthi creation also basically. The asthi body basically are used basically in the city creation. Then yes basically it all. So why basically this type of way basically was used? Why basically was like that basically? Then he told that basically that need to check here basically who actually created this system basically. Then basically one of the person told that basically this group has created, that is this group. This group, because this group says that basically we are very old and within just 70-80 years most of India is created. Most of India basically are, for example, IT industry. Mumbai basically was nothing basically 70 years before basically. Then he told that yes basically before 70-20 years basically the Mumbai was nothing. So Mumbai entire industry, Mumbai created, Mumbai IT industry created 2,35,000 basically the buildings basically are there of the Mumbai IT industry. That everything is basically created by this group, and this group are connected with this group. That basically need to check basically. Then one of the person told that might be possible basically. Might be possible basically that this group basically might have created the Hindustan. So next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about the dangerous topic. This everything basically over basically. This topic we have covered it, and in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about the things basically which we are discussing basically. Hindustan is created by whom basically, that basically we have already cleared. Who actually created the Hindustan? In next video basically we are going to see a little bit more of this.